Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 2nd June current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the current affairs. The first one, Moody's downgrades India's rating. Here Moody's is a rating agency for shares. Here if you see that one, here left side I have given a first downgrade by Moody's in 22 years. That means it is downgraded in June 1998. That is from BA2. Here if it is also upgraded in 2003 to BA1. After that in 2004 it is upgraded to BA3. After that in 2017 November it is upgraded to BAA2. After now June 2020, now it is downgraded to BAA3. Here what we have to learn from this? Rating agency. Here Moody's is a rating agency. Now downgraded India foreign currency and local currency long-term issuer ratings to BAA3 from BAA2. Here BAA is the lowest in investment grade in Moody's rating ladder. This means India is just one notch above the non-investment grade or a junk grade. Here I have given some words like BAA2 or BAA1 or BAA3 or BAA2, like that. I have given some words. Here I have given a Moody's rating ladder right side. Then only you will understand what are these about symbols. The first one, left side I have given a rating symbol and right side I have given a meaning. AAA, that means highest quality and lowest credit risk. Whenever any customer or any company want to invest in any shares, they will check about whether it is the lowest risk or highest risk. If you invest in our lowest risk, then only we will get profits. That's why they will wait for lowest risk, lowest credit risk. That means if it is rated as a AAA, that means it is the lowest credit risk. That means highest quality. After that AA, that means high quality, low credit risk. Only 1 year, that is upper medium grade, low credit risk. Here after that A, there is a B, triple B, medium grade, moderate credit risk, speculative characteristics. BA, speculative substantial credit risk. B, speculation high credit risk. Here if it is categorized as a CAA, that is poor standing, very high credit risk. After that CA, very near default with some prospect of recovery of principal and interest. What is the meaning of default? Suppose I have taken a loan, I have not paid any single penny in a year or in a 3 months or in a tenure. That means it is I am willfully not paying loan. That means default. Here the third category, that is C, typically in default with little prospect of recovery of principal and interest. Here now rating agency Moody's downgraded to BAA3 to BAA2. That means it is downgraded to worst condition. That's why we have to see this one like a Moody's is a rating agency. Here some rating symbols are there. I have explained meaning also. That's about this article. Next one, pulses oil seeds see sharp hike in MSP. First of all we have to know what is the meaning of MSP. For any agriculture produce, we have to cap or we have to put some minimum support. That means suppose I am harvesting or suppose I am putting a harvesting of paddy. That means suppose for harvesting paddy I incurred some cost. That means some manufacturing cost or some harvesting cost is required. That means suppose I have invested on paddy field like 1 lakh. That for our fertilizers, for that paddy or everything. Suppose after getting result from paddy I have to put in a market. That means I have to sell a paddy. That means I have to get, if I am invested in 1 lakh, that means if market is giving minimum support price, that means lowest minimum, that is lowest MSP, that won't, I am in a loss. That's why government will put, or substantially they will increase some MSP rise year by year. That means now pulses and oil seeds see sharp hike in MSP, that is minimum support price. Here CCEA, that is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, very very important, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs on Monday approved an increase in the minimum support prices for all mandated kharif crops including paddy, pulses, cotton for the 2020-21 marketing season. Here how much it is increased we will see. Here the MSP for paddy common has increased by 53 per quintal to 1868, that means 1868 per quintal, increased by 53 rupees, while that of cotton was increased by 260 per quintal to 5515 for medium staple variety, and by 275 rupees per quintal to 5825 per long staple variety. There are some varieties like medium staple variety or long staple variety, that means for in a cotton. If it is in a medium term, that's for that minimum support price is 5515. If it is a long staple variety, that is for 5825 rupees are fixed by government. Here there is also increase in oil seeds, that is the highest increase in MSP has been proposed for Niger seed, that is 755 per quintal, followed by sesame, that is 370 rupees per quintal, and urad, that is 300 per quintal. This is about this article, that is pulses and oilseeds see sharp hike in MSP by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Next one. Here we have seen last week there is a mediation offered by Trump between the India and China. Yesterday we have seen there is a virtual meet between our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Australia Prime Minister Scott Morrison. Here if you see that in that virtual meet, he said that won't interfere in border issues, says Australian envoy O'Farrell. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison are due to speak at virtual bilateral summit on Thursday, where the two sides are expected to strengthen the strategic cooperation and announce a mutual logistic supply agreement. Here between India and Australia there is an important strategic cooperation is there, that is Mutual Logistic Supply Agreement, that means MLSA, for the reciprocal use of each other's bases and other military facilities are there. We have seen there are several different types of army exercises or naval bilateral exercises between any two countries like India and China or like India and Australia. That's why we have required some bases and other some military facilities also. If these two countries, India and Australia, agreed with this MLSA, that is Mutual Logistic Supply Agreement, they can improve their army and navy forces. That's why India and Australia came up with agreement, that is cooperation agreement, Mutual Logistic Supply Agreement. Here, in relation to border issues, that is matter of China and India to resolve, not a matter of for Australia to interfere with. Here, the Mutual LSA, that is Logistic Supply Agreement, makes it easier for defense forces for both countries and to conduct exercise like AUSINDEX. There is important naval exercise between India and Australia, that is AUSINDEX, and facilitate to access to each other, said by Mr. O'Farrell. This is about this article. Next one. There is a breach in BIM data, that is NPCA, that is National Payment Corporation of India, denies breach of BIM data. Here the report by VPN Mentor, Virtual Private Network Mentor, alleged that 409 gigabyte of data comprising 7.26 million records were leaked and trove included personal identifier information such as Aadhaar, Aadhaar details, residence proof, bank records, and complete profiles. Here, the VPN, here there is a report given by VPN Mentor, that is Virtual Private Network Mentor. What is VPN Mentor? The VPN's Mentor website claims it is the world's largest VPN review website, and its search lab is a pro bono service that strives to help the online community defend itself against cyber threats while educating organizations on protecting their users' data. It is like a pro bono services to our government or services like attacks from cyber threats or cyber attacks. Usually we will put our data, or we will store our data in a Amazon Web Services, that is AWS. In these cases, the data was stored on unsecured Amazon Web Services, that is S3 bucket, that is also unsecured in this case. Here, the researchers said that after receiving no reply from the website's developers, they reached out to India's Computer Emergency Response Team, that is SET India, twice, following which breach was closed. Here, there is a pioneer, or there is a important one, that is for cyber threats or cyber attacks are relating to computer, that is India's Computer Emergency Response Team, that means SET India. After now, this VPN Mentor will send some notices, some suggestions to these websites or like some organizations. If they listen and they will rectify their vulnerabilities or loopholes in that app, that's good. Whether if it is not listen, if they are not listening, suggestions given by this VPN Mentor, they will approach this Computer Emergency Response Team. Here we have to take care of our data. Apart from this article, I want to give some suggestions or some advices to you. Why? Because now we are in a IT world. That means everything is on our tips. That's why we have to take care of our data, like sensitive data like Aadhaar information, our bank accounts, or some credit card information also, credit card details also. We have to take care of whenever we are purchasing in any online websites like Amazon and Flipkart, or we have to take care of about our sensitive data like Aadhaar information and bank accounts. Here we have to see whether any website or any hacking technique. First of all, I will give some techniques. The first one, whenever we are logging in, there is a URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. In that, HTTPS, S indicates the security. Whenever you are getting a URL, you have to search for S symbol, that means S in a HTTP, then it is secure. After that, we have to search for lock symbol. Please observe whenever we are using Facebook or any websites like Flipkart and Amazon, there are a lock symbol and HTTPS, then only it will secure. Please follow these rules and please take care of about your sensitive data like bank records and other information. Next one, Hong Kong bans Tiananmen Vigil for the first time in 30 years. It is started in 1989. Why? Because it is started. The 1989 Tiananmen crackdown occurred when China's leaders sent tanks and troops to quell student protests calling for democracy and end to corruption. There is a protest are doing by students in 1989. Then they sent a tanks to that Hong Kong. There is a revolt or there is a opposition to that. That's why Hong Kong people will celebrate or they will see this Tiananmen Vigil for every year. Hundreds were killed in that massacre, that is in 1989 Tiananmen massacre. Here, with some estimates suggesting that more than 1,000 were perished. But in Hong Kong, the memory what happened is kept alive. They are seeing as a kept alive. Why? Because more than 100 people are died and hundreds are perished. Here there is a Mr. Leo. He is also aware that aliens would continue to chant the slogan "End One Party Rule" during the commemoration, despite Beijing's recently announced plans to impose a law criminalizing acts of subversion, succession, and terrorism and foreign interference. We have seen last week China imposed a national security law on Hong Kong. That's why they have a slogan like "End One Party Rule" in Hong Kong. And apart from that, Beijing says the law which will bypass the Hong Kong's legislature is needed to tackle terrorism and separatism. Apart from this, it is an important one, that is 1989 Tiananmen massacre. It is important for our examination point of view. Next one, I promised to make a previous paper analysis, that is I have taken a UPS prelims 2019. Consider the following statements. According to the Indian Patents Act, a biological process to create a seed can be patented in India. Here, Indian Patent Act, there is a question on Indian Patents Act. A biological process to seed A can be patented in India. Second option, in India there is no intellectual property appellate board. Third one, plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in India. Before going to answer this question, I want to tell about non-patentable inventions in India. That is, mere discovery of scientific principle, mere rearrangement of known activities, agriculture methods or horticulture copyrights, plants, animals, frivolous inventions of against the natural laws. These are the non-patentable inventions in India. From this we can know that according to Indian Patents Act, a biological process, that means it comes under the environment and plants. Now it is to create a seed, it's not patentable, that means non-patentable. In India there is no intellectual property appellate board. This is also right. Why? Because there is no intellectual property appellate board, that is IPAB. Here plant varieties are not eligible to be patented in our non-patentable inventions in India. We have seen that they are also telling that plant varieties are not patentable in India. That's why 3 option is the right one. Which of the statements given above is the correct? A 1 and 3 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 3 only, D 1, 2, 3 only. Our right option is C. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep. Take care. Bye bye.